In this video, we're going to be providing a full tutorial on how to access archived chats on ChatGPT. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Once we're on ChatGPT, we simply need to click our profile in the bottom left, then select Settings. From here, we need to go down to Data Controls. Then next to Archive Chats, you need to select Manage. From here, you can see all the chats you have archived, along with the date that it was created. We can click this button next to each chat to unarchive it, or the trash can to delete it. If we're on mobile, it's slightly different. You will need to click the three lines in the top left, then select your profile at the bottom, then select Archive Chats. If we click on any chat, we have the option to view it, unarchive it, or delete it. That's all we have for this video on accessing archived chats on ChatGPT. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.